We made a mistake, okay? He grabbed it, I didn't have time to weave my leg, he throws my leg to the side, okay? I don't want to face this angle. Understand, when someone's leg dragging you, he's coming this way. So when we put two hands on him like this, you're telling him that you're gonna shrimp in, right? He's gonna go knee on belly, or you're gonna accept the pass. So I'm gonna go like this, Omar finishes the pass, I come to him, now I gotta fight him here and push him off of me. Okay? So when he's like this, Omar goes, watch my elbow, okay? He goes, you see, all I did was I touched my elbow on the floor and I moved my hips to that elbow, okay? Now, my foot, I stopped it on his shoulder because that's where the power comes from. He's gonna drop that shoulder, okay? I can step on his hip, but now he drops his shoulder on my hip and now we end up here, okay? It's easier for me to go like this. He goes, I weave, grab his ankle, step, back to guard. See, it's really, really small. If I step on the floor to shrimp out, you're giving him more space to pass your guard, okay? So I go like this here, he goes, one, weave, come back. He goes, one, weave, come back. Weave, you see my foot? I'm right here, I'm controlling, I push off, come back. He goes again, weave, push, come back. Now I can grab the collar. Okay, so he goes one step all the way. I move my hip to my elbow. I can touch his knee if I want. If he tries to come inside closer, I pull it out. There's the sleeve. Step, break the grip. Now it's my turn. Okay, so here again, he goes, I go, one, control, push. Two, control, push. Three, control, push. And I'm just following him. Does this make sense? Okay, so let's stay like this so we understand. Okay, let's leave our heels in the air and then shrimp with your elbows. You guys follow me? Yeah? All right, let's go. 1, 2. Just like somebody's grip, you can tell what he's going to do if you're understanding the scenario, okay? So for here like this, if Omar takes a grip on top like this, he's telling me he's gonna push my leg down, okay? If he takes a grip on the side, he's telling me he's gonna throw my leg this way, right? If he grabs underneath, I know he's gonna try to stack me, okay? So just by that one grip, a lot of times the person will tell you what he's gonna do, okay? Some of you guys are still having a little bit of a hard time moving your hips, but watch what I'm doing here. He grabs right here, okay? If I cannot do the weave, maybe he closed his elbow, he did a really good job. I take the side of my foot, I open my toes, and I put pressure this way, okay? So now watch, throw me as hard as you can. It helps me, you see what I mean? So if I'm just like this, he goes, I have to really use my elbow. I'm slower, I wanna be fast, okay? So he goes, he throws it. You see how quickly I got there? If his leg is here now, I can really start going underneath his leg and attacking him, doing what I wanna do. So here, it's easier for me. He goes, I push, and then I stop there, okay? So what we did first, I showed you guys how to move on your elbows, okay? Then I showed you how to do the leg drag defense, right? And then we did the other one. So I'm trying to make it now where like we're getting deeper and deeper and deeper as we go, okay? So now here, Omar, I made a big mistake. Omar grabbed both my pant grips. All right, so here I have to be careful. If I sit up to reach for him, I make my body very round and he Torreando passes me at the same time that I sit up. Okay, I go like this, he goes, moves my legs, now I'm in trouble. Okay, so here, Omar is gonna do the Torreando pass, walks to the side, I post my elbow again and I C-grip right here. Okay, you do not need two hands to push him. If I go with two hands, what's happening here, okay? I cannot stop him from putting my body over here. So when I do this and he walks towards my hips, I lose. I miss the position, but now look, see? He's right really tight. I push him harder, I say, no, I'm gonna shrimp in. But now he drops his body and finishes the pass. You see? I made a mistake, right? I only need one hand, that's it. That's all you guys should use. So I go like this. He grabs here, I post my elbow while Torreando passes, I bring my knee and my hand together. I made a structure right here, okay? My C grip now, I push the one bicep, right? This is the shoulder that wants to drop down, okay? So I'm gonna block that, so when he tries to drop it down, he can't. Now he tries to walk back this way. You see the pressure he's putting? He can't go because my elbow's on the floor. I have my kickstand, right? So now my foot, I can hook him right here. He tries to keep walking. He can't do it. Look at my body. My kickstand is there, you see? I release this, boom, he passes my guard. I use two hands and shrimp, he passes my guard. I don't want to do that. So he goes like this. Here, I go kickstand, he tries to pass. So now, when he gets frustrated and he can't start passing this way, watch what I do with my heel. He goes to pass the other side now, I drop it right over top. See, I collapsed his shoulder, now I take a grip. And now I step, I'm fine again. Does that make sense? Right? So here he tries again, he goes to the Torreando pass, I go here and here, I push him, keep the distance, he tries to walk towards my head or my leg, can't get it because of my elbow. Don't release that grip. He's pushing really hard right here, you see? There's a structure going all the way through. You guys understand? Don't use two hands, just one, okay? I'm right here now. You can't grab my collar, you can't grab anything. I'm still safe. He walks towards my head, I chop this one inside, now I pull the other one out, and I'm in my guard. Where it's my turn, I can start throwing him and attacking. That makes sense? Okay? But a lot of times what happens, okay, people's back is on the floor, I see this. You guys go here, and he, boom, drop. Okay? Or, boom, drop. The guy pushes me, he shrimps, I'm right inside. You see? It's too easy. He's giving me a chance. But if I go like this, I leg drag him, I Torreando him, he puts his knee and elbow, watch this. You see how hard that is? How tired am I gonna get? I'm gonna get really tired. And then when I'm tired, he turns it up. Does that make sense? Yeah? So again here, I really pushed him across the room. But watch the difference. That one you guys saw, he puts two hands on me, no way. I'm gonna pass. You see? It's too easy. Just one hand. Right? Look. Make sense, guys? Okay, let's go. 1, 2.